Hi everyone, this is Jest from GES QuickNews, bringing you the latest and most accurate education updates in Ghana. If you're a WASSCE 2025 candidate or parent waiting for the results, here's everything you need to know. We expect that WAEC will release the WASSCE 2025 results between the 15th and 18th of November 2025. To get real-time updates, dial *920*169# on any network in Ghana and choose option 3 for WASSCE 2025 result alerts, checker purchases, and more updates. After the final WASSCE papers ended in September, WAEC examiners gathered at marking centers across the country to work on candidate scripts. By the 25th of October 2025, the marking and vetting process was completed, moving the exercise into the verification and processing stage. During this stage, WAEC standardizes grades, runs statistical checks, and applies strict quality control to ensure accuracy and fairness. This process usually takes 2 to 4 weeks, which perfectly fits a mid-November release window, unless there are unexpected technical or administrative delays. Once WAEC officially releases the results, candidates can check them online at ghana.waecdirect.org using their WASSCE index number, the exam year 2025, and a valid e-voucher with a PIN and serial number. E-vouchers can be bought electronically or from authorized vendors across Ghana. WAEC has also advised all candidates to ignore fake release dates and unverified claims on social media and to rely only on official WAEC updates or credible education sources like GES QuickNews. According to credible reports, WAEC is expected to release the 2025 WASSCE results by November 15th, but has placed about 34,563 candidates under investigation for suspected mass cheating in some examination centers. We'll continue to keep you updated as this story develops. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GES QuickNews for all your latest education updates, admission news, and scholarship alerts. Once again, for WASSCE 2025 result alerts, checker purchases, and updates, just dial *920*169# and choose option 3. Thanks for watching, and best of luck to all WASSCE 2025 candidates.